What is a cataract? A cataract is the lens or the window that you're born with that sits in the middle of the eye, and as life goes on, it starts to get cloudy and it actually grows and gets bigger. So people will often find that, let's say you play golf or pickleball, you can't see the ball as well as you used to, or driving at night becomes really difficult. And getting new glasses or contacts isn't helping your vision. Usually that's a sign that you have cataracts and you might need cataract surgery. Cataracts are caused by proteins build up. Cataracts are treated with cataract surgery, which involves removing your natural lens that has now become cloudy, breaking it up, and placing a new clear lens that you'll have for the rest of your life. Once you've had cataract surgery, you are not going to get another cataract. So it's pretty cool because it's one of the few things where we can actually cure a problem. And it gives us the potential to give you the best vision possible forever without possibly needing glasses or contacts. Cataracts will continue to grow if they're not treated, and the only treatment we have for cataracts is cataract surgery.